Hey guys, our new VineCo range has just landed. I'm actually doing another video when I actually make some of the signature series all the way through to the end, but that video is not quite finished because I haven't quite bottled yet, but I'll bring that one out soon. In the meantime, I just wanted to let you know that these have landed, they're ready to go, and they're absolutely awesome. They range in different prices. I've got the high-end range here down to the sort of cheaper ones, I guess you might say. So over here we've got the signature series, then we've got the estate series, original, and then we've got some dessert wines as well, and also these really nice fruity ones, which I know you guys at home are going to love, and then say you're making them for your missus. Anyway, it's an awesome collection, so have a look at the website and check them out. We're also doing a wine bundle kit as well, so that'll come with 2 fermenters. So you need 2 fermenters because you need to obviously rack from one to the next when you need to go through the clarifying process. They also include a bottling one, so you can bottle into some glass bottles that you can buy separately. Also comes with some PBW mix here, so you can clean the fermenters out. Both of these fermenters will have taps on the side like so you can actually remove the taps for easy cleaning. You can just unscrew them from the side of the fermenter. You can actually boil the entire tap if you really want to be pedantic about sanitation. And some silicone hose and a hydrometer as well. So the silicone hose is obviously to help you with the racking process, and then a hydrometer obviously you need to check the gravity. Now all the parts are available individually. If you've already got a fermenter you want to use or something like that and just need an extra one to rack into, obviously all this stuff you can buy separately too. Anyway, hope you enjoy the new range. Look, I think it's awesome and it's great to try something different. Look, I had never made wine myself up until recently, and really it's not that hard, and these kits include everything you need inside. So they've got, in some instances, oak inside or clarifying agents. Some of them have got different sort of flavors and fruit juices in there. Some got wine, grape juice in there, of course. But they all include everything you need. So it's pretty easy. All the instructions are included, and you'll be up and at them in no time at all. Anyway, that's it guys. Hope you enjoy them. See you next time.